Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a shopping cart to your Wix website. This is essential if we want to start selling products and give our customers an easy checkout experience. Let's get started. On the Wix editing dashboard, to add a shopping cart or an Add to Cart button, all we need to do is click the plus element. Next, we search for the cart icon under the store section. If we cannot see it, we just type cart in the search bar and it will appear. Now we drag and drop the icon to the spot where we want it. As we can see, the icon is now on our page. We can adjust its position if needed. We can move it here or add another Add to Cart button by simply dragging it onto the page and waiting for it to load. And that's it. The Add to Cart button is now on our page. That's how we add a shopping cart to our Wix website. With this simple setup, we can turn our site into a fully functional online store.